Hi, welcome to Eurogulf Machines and Robotics stall. I am Purushottam. I am handling the robotic automation. I am a senior business development manager over here. We are the robotic system solution provider and a machine tool supplier and service provider. We are a total robotic integration solution provider, like all type of applications, arc welding, material handling and other applications. We give welding fixtures, we give the end effectors, we give the total turnkey solutions, and we integrate the robots and installation commissioning training will do. We supply the machines, we do the installation commissioning, we provide a complete warranty, AMC support, and I request you to visit our stall and see our capabilities in order to support you better. Welcome to Eurogulf. This is our stall. Thank you.